Welcome to Innovational Capital Strategies. Our dedicated team of Charitable Remainder Trust specialists is here to guide you through the process of building your trust. We understand that navigating financial strategies can be complex, and we're committed to helping you secure an income stream for life while supporting the charities you care about. Today, we're diving into an important financial strategy that can help you secure an income stream for life while also benefiting charities. Let's explore the power of Charitable Remainder Trusts, or CRTs. Imagine you own $1 million worth of stock. Your cost basis is $200,000, which means you have an unrealized gain of $800,000. If you decide to sell this stock outright, you'll face capital gains taxes. With a total tax rate of 25%, your capital gains tax would be $200,000. This leaves you with $800,000 to invest. If you invest this amount at a 6% annual return and withdraw 5% for income each year, you'll start with an income of $40,000 annually. But remember, this amount depletes faster since it's taxed money from the start. And when you pass away, the remaining assets will go to your heirs, not to charity. Now let's look at option 2, funding a charitable remainder trust. By contributing your entire $1 million stock into the CRT, the trust sells the stock tax-free. This means the full $1 million stays invested. The CRT pays you 5% annually, $50,000 for life, while growing at 6%. This preserves your principal and ensures steady income. Plus, there's an immediate charitable deduction based on IRS tables, around $300K to $350K in this scenario. When you pass away, the remaining trust corpus goes directly to your chosen charity instead of heirs. Let's compare the two options side by side so you can see the differences at a glance. In factor is no CRT with CRT, immediate tax hit 200K, 0, or investable base 800K, 1 million. Annual income 5%, 40K, 50K, upfront charitable deduction 0 Rs, 300K, 350K, remainder beneficiary, heirs, charity. So here are the key takeaways. A charitable remainder. Trust makes sense when you're selling highly appreciated assets and want steady income for life while supporting charity at death. So, when is a CRT the right fit? If you're approaching retirement and want to turn appreciated assets into reliable income. If you're selling a business and want to reduce the tax hit while diversifying your investments. If you'd like to support both your family and the charitable causes you care about. Or if you want to reduce estate taxes and leave a legacy of giving. Charitable remainder trusts, turning generosity into income and legacy. But if leaving assets to heirs is your top priority without additional strategies like life insurance, then a CRT might not be the right tool for you.